Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to sign or add your signature to a PDF. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you want to ensure that you have Microsoft Office, and you can find this on the App Store. This is a very versatile and useful app to have. It has Excel, Word and PowerPoint in one app. You can use it to capture pictures and turn them into documents. You can sign PDFs, create your PDFs, but for today, I'll be focusing on the sign PDF feature. So let's launch Microsoft Office and get into it. So once you open Microsoft Office, you'll be greeted with this layout here. And as you can see, there's a home and action icon at the bottom of the screen. So in order to sign a PDF or add your signature, you are required to click the actions icon. And as you can see, there are quite a few actions here. You can sign a PDF, scan a PDF, picture to PDF, document to PDF, and PDF to Word. So in order to do this video, you'd simply need to click on sign a PDF, which is the first option. Then you are required to select the document. And this might take a few seconds to open. So once it is open, you see there's a sign at the bottom of the screen which says tap where you wish to sign. So you'd simply tap where in the PDF that requires a signature and simply add your signature. Now, I already have a signature in this app, but if you don't, then at this point you would be required to write your signature. And you can adjust it and move it around until you are satisfied. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. If you found this video useful or if you liked this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.